Hello guys, so if you're looking to add a debit card or a credit card in your Amazon account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. And it's a very simple process. So all you have to do is just simply open your browser, log into your Amazon account and click on your account over here. Click on your payments. Now in your payments, you will have the option of wallet, and under wallet, you will have card and account. So over there, click on add a payment method. Now in payment method, you will have multiple options as you can see right over here. So the one that we are looking for is card or debit card over here. So just simply click on add a credit card or debit card. Now over here, just simply enter the card number, the name on the card, the expiry date and the CVV or SVV, whichever you may have. And after that, just simply click on add your card. And after that, your card will be added. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.